So this morning on our way to Stephen C. Foster, we kind of...
The trachea.
Wait a minute. Our book is starting up. We split up for just a moment. We're at Walmart. I finished filling up with gas. Lynn's over here getting groceries, and then I'm going to go in and help her bag everything up, and we'll get back in the RV and keep rolling. Does that sound like a plan to you, Maggie? Sounds like a plan to me, baby girl. I know. We need to find you a place to do your business, don't we? Swing through here and find us a little parking place here, buddy. Okay, here we go. So that was a Walmart stop and a half, wasn't it? Took a little bit of time.
It seems like it took a long time to let sandwich meat cut.
So we know we're going somewhere that doesn't have a lot of well, civilization around, so we're making sure we have enough food for 3 days, enough water, all the essentials. And
I didn't get water. I got no.
yeah, filled up with gas, washed the windshield, and now we'll head towards the next stop.
Turn right onto East Palestine. You think this would be better? Those are way too big. I don't know. Those are not.
Those are not as high.
Not as high, but
they're not as tall. I think those would work.
For what?
I don't know. So you guys, people are always telling us that we cost you money because you see ideas from us, but Brian and Michelle live in RV Vision. Well, they're costing us money because we find ourselves at Target getting the same thing as you got for your new van. And it looks like you're extremely organized with it. And
they are very organized.
We're not, so we're going to try to get more organized. Brian and Michelle are a lot more organized than we are, even if we go to Target. So we appreciate you guys, though. And we did a little bit here just to make sure they're going to fit. And then we'll totally reorganize once we get to our next campsite. But the next stop, believe it or not, we've had this RV for 4 months. We have yet to fill up the propane. So next stop is Tractor Supply, which is kind of weird. This Tractor Supply here in Valdosta is actually in a strip mall. So we got to drive all the way around to the back of the building and come back up to the propane area back there. And I have the tanks ready. We're going to get them filled. You may be asking, why would we just not go to Lowe's or someplace else and get the quick change out the bottles for refills? And in a situation where that was the only option, we would do that. But this is actually cheaper because I know that we have maybe at least a half a tank in one, and one of them's empty. But also the ones you buy at Lowe's and other places are only filled to what they call 75. So they're only filled to the 75% full, and here they'll refill it to 80% full. So you get 5% more and it's cheaper. So hopefully this is going to work out. We'll find out. That's where I'm going right now. This guy's going to let us in right here.
Not gonna take much.
It's just me. Make sure those are closed off.
Yes, sir. I always double check. It's a little bit of OCD.
It's all right. That's a good thing.
Especially when you're dealing with volatile stuff. All right, does it go in like this?
It does.
All right.
Goes in like that.
Then are y'all wanting to pay cash or card today?
All right, that was awesome. One of them was pretty full, the other one was not. And so getting both of them filled and with him helping me and everything, $20.54, about as easy as it can get. Never went into the store. Pretty cool. Next stop, probably lunch. What do you think?
Sounds good to me. Where we're going?
I don't know. Lynn and I started eating at this place when we were in St. Petersburg for so long, and they opened up. It's called Chicken Salad Chick. They actually started in Georgia. It was a little bit, as you saw, a little bit of a haul to drive through the neighborhoods to get over here. It's a little out of the way, but it's a great place to eat. We recommend it highly. And we're going to go get lunch, and then we're also going to get some takeout so that we can have sandwiches and snacks tomorrow and the next day. So we're set for this next portion of the trip. While we're waiting on the sandwiches to get here, Lynn's doing a little research about the Okefenokee Swamp, which is where we're going now. It sounds different if you say Stephen C. Foster, but you're really in the Okefenokee Swamp, so listen to this.
Officials estimate that 12,000 of the country's largest reptiles live within this refuge.
Those are alligators.
I guess. And amongst other things. At least you can see a freaking alligators coming.
Yeah.
But you can't have dogs or anything in boats or privately owned vessels
Really?
because of that.
So this is going to be one of those take care of Maggie kind of trips. Wow.
Maggie's not going to like it.
She won't. That's okay. She'll be fine. As long as she doesn't become alligator bait.
That's the main thing.
Good stuff has arrived.
Yeah.
Here we go. Looks good. These cookies are to die for too. They squeeze all the fat out of it so it doesn't make you gain weight. So how was Chicken Salad Chick, sweetie?
It's good.
Didn't let us down, did it?
It didn't.
And now we have some more in the refrigerator for dinner tonight or tomorrow or lunch, and works out to be a really great. Yeah, I do want that. Do you want to put your coffee cup back there? Yeah, we have about an hour and 20 minutes left to go to get to the Okefenokee Swamp, and hope to get there before dark. That's the plan. Definitely before dark.
Turn left onto North Oak Street Extension, then turn left onto I-75 Business.
We wouldn't.
Won't be wasting no time.
Don't dilly-dally.
Diddy. Or
Dally. I don't know where that came from. Dilly-dally.
Turn left onto I-75 Business Inner Perimeter Road.
Some guy named Dilly. Always dallying. I don't know. How far now?
Continue on I-75 Business for 1 mile.
All right.
Is that what you're asking?
Off we go. We may be incorrect about this, but Lynn's over here downloading shows to the iPad just in case we don't have a cell phone signal. On Campendium, it does say that we have 1 to 2 bars of Verizon, but that far out in the middle of nowhere, I'm doubting if that's accurate or not. I don't know. We're going to try our best to make sure that we're prepared. One thing I wish this thing would do would be remember that we don't want the auto stop to go off, and then I also wish it would let you set the default drive mode, because every time you get in and turn the key, for me at least, I have to turn it into Ekko or Eco mode, so I'll save about a mile per gallon by doing that. I wish you could just set that automatically. That would just be cool.